Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon today. I'm going to show you this 2019 Cougar. It's actually a 22 rear bath. It is a used piece of inventory here at Guaranty for us. And I'm going to give you a walk around on it and show you insides and outs. So as you make your way around the front of the coach, we're going to have two batteries up front, your propane tanks. It does come with a power tongue jack. And it has nice slam latches with magnet catches, so you can open up and see that full front pass-through bay there. It does have a slide out that has, I believe, two chairs in it. We'll go inside and take a look. Let's kind of make our way down this side. You can see it has a power awning, outdoor speakers, front pass-through bay. This is going to have power stabilization jacks that run down. It does have a utility outdoor shower. People really rave about these solid steps. They're kind of nice when you're moving up and down in them. As you come into this unit, a nice big closet right here off the back, which is pretty cool. And then you have your bathroom, rear bath, good sized bathroom in there, corner shower. Don't have to deal with a curtain, it has a nice surround to it. Your Dometic refrigerator. This guy has these two chairs here that do recline, theater type seating. Make your way around to the front. You have your bed, storage, ample storage around, TV, nice kitchen counter space in this unit, storage all the way around, drawers, more storage. Can't have enough storage as far as inside a travel trailer as you need. But this trailer, anything else here at Guaranty RV, my name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. I'm happy to help you. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Please give me a call. Thank you.